and welcome back to my channel English Literature. Now it is the fact time and we are here with 10 important facts from history of English literature. Fact number 1. In the deserts of the heart let the healing fountain start, in the prison of his days teach the free man how to praise. No, it is not a poem, of course. It is a song by W.H. Auden in memory of W.B. Yeats. So the next, the Temple. The Temple is a collection of poem by George Herbert. Temple is a collection of poem by George Herbert. George Herbert was an English poet and orator who was born in 1593 and died in 1633. Il Penseroso is the companion piece of El Allegro. These both literary pieces are written by John Milton. The theme of Il Penseroso, it celebrates Mars, the beautiful rural scenery. These things are incorporated in this collection. Okay. Now, the next one, Allen Ginsberg. Allen Ginsberg name is associated with which movement? Allen Ginsberg name is associated with Beat movement. There are others also, Gregory Corso, Gary Sender, Lawrence Ferlinghetti. So these are a group of poets. They are the group of poets known as Beat poets. Okay. After Second World War, they become very famous. Number 5. The term lost generation was popularized by Ernest Hemingway, who used it in his epigraphs for the novel The Sun Also Rises. He uses it in the epigraph of his novel The Sun Also Rises. He credits the phrase to Gertrude Stein, who was his mentor. Hyperbole. Hyperbole is a figure of speech, that is exaggeration. Something that you are telling with an exaggerated way. Like, I am so hungry that I can eat an elephant. Okay, this is a type of hyperbole. I cannot eat an elephant, but I am telling in this way that I am very hungry, to suggest that. It is derived from the Greek word meaning excess. Number 7. Imagined communities is a concept propounded by Benedict Anderson. Now, according to Benedict, a nation is a community socially constructed and imagined by the people who perceive themselves as part of that group. He published his book Imaginative Communication in 1983. Oh my God. From 7 we skip to 10. Number 8, the poetry series it will be. The Man with Blue Guitar. What a wonderful name. The Man with Blue Guitar. Beautiful name. It was published in 1937. It was written by Wallace Stevenson. This poem series is related to Picasso's painting of the same title. If you search the Google, there you will find the painting. Okay, and this series, The Man with a Blue Guitar, it is a series of poems. The man bent over his guitar, a swordsman of swords. The day was green. They said, "You have a blue guitar. You do not play things as they are." The man replied, "Things as they are changed upon the blue guitar." And they said to them, "But play you must, a tune beyond us, yet ourselves, a tune upon the blue guitar of things exactly as they are." So there are many poems here. You can go through this poetry series. It is beautiful. Now, Judith Butler is famous for the book Gender Trouble. Now, Judith Butler, she is an American philosopher and critic. She was born in 1956. Born in 1956. Michael Foucault, Derrida, Freud all have influence on this poetic faculty, on this poetic person. Okay, so Butler was greatly influenced by Foucault, Derrida, Freud, Rubin, and his Gender Trouble is a legendary work, we can say. Number 10 and the last one. The structural analysis of science was practiced by Romanticism. The structure analysis of science. Structure analysis of science was practiced by Romanticism. Who was Romanticism? French essayist and philosopher. So he was born in 1915 and died in 1980. He was a French literary theorist, essayist, philosopher, critic, like diverse ways of literary charisma, you can say. A versatile genius. His famous work, do you remember? That is Ested. Again, from work to text, these are his famous work. Readerly text, writerly text, these are his famous concept and these are his famous works. Okay, with this today we finish 10 facts. Just I think you should make a notebook, name it 10 facts, and put whenever I upload a video on facts, then you can just give the date, 10 facts. In this way you can collect all the facts, and you just during your exam like net set or whatever competitive exam or anything related to exam or your study English literature, then it will help you to look at these things at a glance. You can take side notes like Roland Barthes' date of birth and when he passed away, some of his important works. Give just suppose you write heading, give heading 10 facts, and number 1 you write this is the page, and now you write in this part and take extra note in this part. Number 2, again just keep enough place to insert some important notes or whatever you want to insert or incorporate with that fact. And at the end of this you will find your notebook is covered with so many scribbles. You will feel proud of you, and not only feeling proud, but it will help you during your exam time. You can have a look at all these things at a glance and you can remember various facts. It will help you a lot, I think so. Okay, thank you for staying with me. Have a great day.